F map from -1, 1 to B means here x lies between -1 and 1. X you take tan A, so then tan A lies between -1 and 1. A lies between -π/4 and π/4. X is 2x by 1 minus x square will be 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square, which is tan 2A. So tan inverse tan 2A is 2A because 2A lies between this, which is 2. So the range will be -π/2 to π/2. Here it is. F of y is x. Y here is nothing but defined as f of x. So f of x is f inverse x means it has self-inverse. For finding inverse, let us, what we have to do is, finding inverse is expressing x in terms of y. X into y minus 2 is ky minus 1. X is ky minus 1 by y minus 2. X is nothing but f inverse y. Right. So, since it has self-inverse, f inverse x is kx minus 2, 1 by x minus 2, which is f of x, 2x minus 1 by x. So k equal to 2 is satisfying this equation. Here, g of f of anything, g of is a constant. So fourth option. Here, limit n tends to infinity. In this matching type of questions, at least see that any two are correctly mapped. N equal to n tends to 0 means you are not taking any term. B maps to 1. The only option is 4. If you have one more doubt, n tends to 3 means, then we have 7 into 10, just a sum of 3 terms. So 2 by 7 plus 7 into 10, 21 by 17. Right? 21 by, that is 3 by 10. So B maps to 1, C maps to 2 is possible, fourth option. No need to do remaining. Here it is direct tan 60 root 3, tan 120 degrees, 180 minus 60, tan 240 degrees. So third quadrant tan is positive. It is 18 to 60, 480. Tan 360 plus 120 minus 10 plus 5 root 3. Here it is a value, divide with cos 9, which I can write tan 45 minus tan 9 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 9, which is tan 36. Similarly, B will be 1 plus tan 21 by 1 minus tan 21 degrees. It is tan 45 plus 21, 45 plus 21, tan 66 degrees. tan A plus tan B plus tan of A plus B into tan A tan B, which is tan of A plus B. Or you take direct formula, tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Right? You simplify this, we get this. That is, this becomes tan of 60 root 3. So, descending order of ABC means tan is an increasing function. One is 36, other is 60, other is 66. So, B will be more. Then C, then A, B, C, A, descending order. Here it is. Options are given in terms of alpha. Then, so any value of beta, it is true. Put beta as 0. Then you will have 4 cos alpha. Here also 0. 4 cos alpha into 0. And the first one also 0. Third term cos 2 alpha. Third option. So here it is tan m theta is tan of pi minus m theta. M theta is n pi plus pi minus n theta. Theta into n plus n is n plus 1 pi. So theta here is n plus 1 pi by n plus n. Here better to write k. So k values 0, 1, 2, so on. Theta will be pi by m plus n, 2 pi by m plus n, so on. 3 pi by m plus n. The difference of consecutive terms is same. So they are in AP. Here it is, say this is 1, say this is 2. Adding, we get sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is pi by 2. So sin inverse y minus cos inverse y is pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. What I did is I added given equations. So sin inverse y minus cos inverse y is pi minus pi by 2, which is pi by 2. Sin inverse y plus cos inverse y is pi by 2. Adding this to sin inverse y here is pi. Sin inverse y here is pi by 2. Y is sin 90. 1. Once y is 1, take any equation, sin inverse x plus pi by 2 is 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse x is 120 minus 90, which is 30. X is half. So because if you observe y, 1 is possible only here, not anywhere. First option, no need of finding x. Cos h2x will be cos h square x plus sin h square x. Taking common, in terms of tan, 1 by secant h square, 1 plus tan h square. We have a formula, 1 minus tan h square x is secant h square x. So it is 1 plus cos theta by, so secant h square x is 1 minus tan h square x, which is cot square theta by 2. So this is b cos a plus c cos b. C cos a plus a cos c. A cos B plus A cos B plus B cos C plus A cos B, C cos B plus B cos C. So this one is C cos B plus B cos C cos A plus A cos B, which is A plus B plus. Or if you have a doubt or you forget the formula, just put A1, B1, C1, and it angle A, angle B, angle C all becomes 60 degrees. So then you'll have a 2 cos A, 2 cos B. That means 3 times 2 into cos 60, half 3. Substitute 111 in the option. In this option only you get 3. Sides of a triangle are in AP. 2B is A plus C. Cot A by 2, cot of half angles are in cot A by 2 formula. S into S minus B by delta S into S by delta everywhere common. 2 times S minus B. If you take S A B C to check whether they are in A B C, 2B you take it, and A plus C. Already we know that A B C are in AP. In place of A plus S, if you write 2B, LHS and RHS will be equal. They are in AP. So this is hill, and here is a building. So top of a hill, he observed from the top with an angle of elevation P, from down with an angle of elevation Q. He given height of a building. He is asking height of hill. Let us say AB and CD are equal. So this as X. So this as L. It will be H. Cot P will be X by L. Cot Q is X by H plus L. So everywhere you have cot P minus cot Q. X by L minus X by H plus L minus L by L into H plus L. So cot P minus cot Q, what we got is X, Hx by L into H plus L. What I want is height of the building, H plus L, which is Hx by let us see the options. X by L will be H cot P by H plus L. So that means H plus L will be H cot P by cot P minus cot Q, which is height of the hill. Here it is 1 plus 7i by 4 plus I square minus 4i, 3 minus 4i, 3 plus 4i, here it is rationalizing. We get 3 plus 4i plus 21i, 28 28i square, 9 minus 16i square, minus 25 plus 25 by 25, because I square is minus 1. So which is minus 1 plus I. So say multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. So minus 1 minus I, rationalizing 1 minus I square minus 1 minus I by 2. Here mod of z1 plus mod z2 is less than or equal to is greater than mod of z1 plus z. Mod z minus 1 is same as 1 minus z. So mod of 1 minus z plus mod z is greater than, so 1 is the minimum value. Here it is. I will choose A as 1, B as 1. So it is 8 omega square plus omega. Here it is minus 1 whole cube 10. Here A omega square plus omega. Here also 8 6 we get 8 minus 2. So if you substitute 1 1 you get 3. It's 9. Here it is 9. Sorry, here you get 6. Second option is correct. Collinear means B bar is T times A bar. Magnitude you take T times mod A will be 4 plus 9 plus 36, which is 21. T will be 3 plus or minus. So B bar will be plus or minus 3 times A bar, which is this. So here A, B, C, D are points. D bar is here D bar. Then AD is perpendicular to BC. AD dot BC, that is D minus A dot C minus B0, means AD is perpendicular to BC. So intersection of altitudes will be of the center. Here, this kind of questions, you take A bar as I. Any vector you can take. I cross I is 0. I cross J is K square. I cross K. So it's I, J, K. I cross K is minus J square. So here you get 2. So second option is correct. So once these are coplanar, AB, AC, AD box product is 0. AB means OB minus OA, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 3. AC will be 1 minus 1, 2 minus 0, and AD K minus 1, 2 minus 0, 5 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So expanding determinant with respect to first column, 0 into something plus K minus 1 into 0. Minus 8 times K1 plus 8 times minus 2, 0. So K value here is minus k plus 1. So k is minus 1. Here it is, so this vector component of b bar perpendicular to a bar. That is LB bar, which is OB minus OL. B minus OL is projection of B on A. So which we can write B times A dot A minus B dot A by mod B square, which is same as A cross B cross A by mod A square. So this is correct. So, A cross B cross C, vector triple product correct. So both A and R true, R is the correct expression.